Hey! Yay! Stop! 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 Sit down! Sit down!
So what's going on, family? This your boy Ant back out here again, out here with Black Knight and everything. He's in the garage sitting there chilling like always. But I'm going back to Hoover again. I got two cars that I interviewed. Kind of let the guys tell a little bit about their car. One was a classic, one was a newer car. So down in the comments below, I want y'all to let me know which one y'all liked the best. But other than that, let's get to it. Go ahead.
2013 Camaro. It's been cammed, long tube headers, underdrive pulleys. It's pushing over 500 horsepower.
Okay. You got any more other plans that you plan on doing?
Supercharger's next.
Supercharger.
As soon as I get him in something, so he can drive something, because he's driving this, but as soon as we get him in something, supercharger will be coming.
All right, good deal. I'm a big Mustang man, but I love this car. I love this. It's a nice looking car. I like Camaros, you know.
He's got a 2002 Mustang GT.
Oh, okay. All right. So you need to bring that out here. All right, can we get you to crank it up? This is a beautiful car right here. Oh man, that thing, it sounds good. And let's just look at the name, Car Stick. And that is nice. Get them a couple reds. Man, that thing sounds good.
It's a 1930 Model A, all Henry Ford steel. Got a Corvette rear end, 96 Crown Victoria mod motor block with 99 Mustang heads. Holley 4-barrel intake with a 3.2 conversion with Auto Trans EFI, so that's fuel injection. We're running a Holley Dominator pump, air conditioning, home-built headers. Got the custom interior. We did everything in-house except for the seat and the pinstriping.
Okay.
Did the paint with the metal flake on the roof and the black.
All right.
So
nice looking car. We're gonna walk around and get some good shots of this car. Man, look at that motor. Okay, y'all, this your boy Ant. I'm back again. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Them two cars. One was a classic, one was a newer car, which was one was a Camaro. I forgot what the other one was, the older car, but it was nice. Other than that, don't forget to hit that like button, smash that like button. Also, don't forget to share, and also don't forget to subscribe. And also, don't forget to hit that bell on the right-hand side, so anytime I post, y'all get an alert that I just posted a video. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog and everything. Other than that, this your boy. I'm out of here.